Applause as he comes up. There he is, the winner for the amateur of 1401 to 1600cc stock category. We've got the winner, first runner-up, second runner-up. I'm going to ask Martin to join this picture as well. Martin, everybody wants you up there, please. Public demand. Let's give Festival Director Martin a big round of applause as well. These are the winners, first runner-up and second runner-up for 1401 to 1600cc stock. Open stock category, our second runner-up. So, it's time to introduce the winner to you for 4 years. Put your phones down and give them a round of applause because they truly deserve it. Every one of you. Let's hear you guys clap for three amazing ladies. Thank you very much for that fantastic display. And I'm sure this match is really... to go for Generation 3 2025. Congrats guys, well done now. Moving into another interesting one, this is the four-wheel drive forward category. And our second runner-up is Nicholas.
Okay, one thing I can say is Praveen knows his audience. He knows what they want. Okay, Praveen, it's so good to see you here. Just want to know quickly, this is just one of the two Lamborghinis that are in India and one out of 250 in the world. Wow, now that is special. Having something as special as this. So, why did you decide to go with the Aventador?
Yeah, I love every car, whether from Aventador or any other car. This has got some section. I had the Aventador as well. So, like while driving from Jodhpur to Jaisalmer.
That must have got you there really fast. Well, thank you so much.
Special thank you, Generation Speed. Who we have here is the only speak about the cars only we have. Absolute legend, Sarah. Like Generation Speed. What we have manifested you and me, only as a like that. Everything that happens today. Ladies and gentlemen, it's not enough. It's not enough. With two cars in any car show in India. Let's hear it! The mighty legend, the GTR, the man, the myth, and the legend himself. Guys, there's no introduction. If there's somebody who's touching international standards, send him a wine. Next man here is Imran Majid. So, Imran, your team, my brother who I look up to very highly, inspiring so many other ways, is right here. So, Imran, I know everybody out here would know about your car, but a bigger two people love the way you want to describe your baby, your journey. This is the moment, and we couldn't have had a better stage to close but your car. So please tell us about this baby again one more time.
first and foremost, you want to know about the car? That's the team and that's the car. I just drive it. I just work hard to fund it, but that's the team that drives that car, that builds that car, and runs that damn car. Ajit, Darius, Martin, Rongam, Marvin, Sean, Fad. These are my boys who actually push me to go ahead and do what I do. I'm going to give you a small note. You guys were disappointed when we were here the last time on this trip at the Valley Run. We've already done an 8.7 on about 1200 horsepower, and we weren't getting traction above that. So on Saturday night, the night before my final run at the Valley Run, we were actually testing the surface here. Well, we lost a lot of traction, we over-revved, we blew the block, we chipped it. And then this group of boys, they refused to rebuild an 1800 horsepower again. So for 2 months, it was a battle where I tried convincing them because my parts were good, I just needed a new block. But they said no, if we're gonna do something new, we gotta do it all new. And well, this man Malcolm, he's convinced me to have a ready 2400 horsepower here. But again, the aim is not to exceed 1200 horsepower by using it over here. It's not safe to run above 1200 horsepower on this kind of a circuit. The aim this year is to finish in the early 8s with the 1200, and then we ship the car abroad, put India on the map, and we aim to hit the 7s. A big thank you to everyone here, and especially here. I love you guys, and I promise you, I only move forward with the love from you guys. I love you guys.
Come on, give Nishan Sabu a big round of applause. Come on, make some noise as he takes in the car from JS Films. Nishan Sabu, everyone, come on, make some noise for him. And in this beautiful Lambo Huracan performance, we've got Vinay. Where is Vinay? Vinay, come on up. Why don't you get into the car? Where is Vinay? We got Mr. JS Films himself sitting in the Lambo Huracan performance as he gets in the car and revs. Why don't you get in the car, sir? Gentlemen, start your engines, take a seat. If you're wondering what at Generation Speed 2025, let's get all of you over to main stage, because trust me, you're gonna Generation Speed to a grand finale. So let's get everyone to main stage. We've got Vinay in the Lambo Huracan performance. We've got Mr. Sood, who's ready to go in the Lambo Huracan. Let's hear the revving. Ladies and gentlemen, the final act for tonight at Generation Speed 2025. He's a genre-defining music producer. He's got chart-topping hits performed all over the world, and he's here to take your night to a whole different level. Ladies and gentlemen, as these cars